inventor of the Ultimate 3-in-1 travel set. Say hello to wrinkle-free packing and hassle-free boarding with our patented 3-in-1 travel set, and get ready to travel with confidence once again. You get 3 quality pieces that connect into one compact carry-on, or you can use them independently if you like. We solve 3 of the biggest problems with most garment bags. 2 zippers to easily lay your favorite pieces. No more cramming through one zipper. Hook and loop straps hold our hangers to avoid clips that break. And we use durable diamond ripstop lining in all pieces to contain tears. Quality that keeps us out of landfills. Exclusively ours, 13.5 inches extension pocket for extra storage or longer items. And when you get to your room, unpack without unpacking. Simply hang up your garment bag and go. Goodbye hotel irons, no more burn marks that waste precious time and money. Our carefully engineered duffel has stiff bottom and sides, making this your drawer on the go. Never unpack so you never forget. Protective feet on the bottom. Mesh pockets all around keep things in place, including a lockable privacy pocket. Organizer pocket and add a bag zipper in case you want to use just the duffel. No packing cubes needed with the Ultimate. Avoid the plastic, help save the planet. You also get this fully lined day pack with a full-size zippered pocket for your shoes, bike rides, and dirty laundry, complete with comfort leather glides. Now, simply connect on the top and you are ready to go. On the bottom, you have 2 additional straps to further secure your garment bag, and feet to protect your Ultimate, and an add-a-bag zipper to use with your wheeled computer case or luggage. We especially source these pulls to lock in place so you can run to catch your flight. Zip around the airport and keep your bag germ-free with this ergonomic comfort strap. Carry on your shoulder or crossbody. Padded, non-slip, seatbelt webbing won't fray, and stainless steel hardware. The Ultimate 3-in-1 travel set will be your all-time favorite. Easily fits in overhead bins, saves you time, money, and stress. Quality material that's sustainable. And when you come home, self-storage and day pack, freeing up that much-needed closet space. So pack it all and travel easy.